Vote for Me. Lovely, by Lily Ross. Illustrated by David Spencer. Molly had her first week at school. She met her teacher. Mr. N is Molly's teacher. He is a leader in her classroom. He helps students learn to read and write. He helps students learn the rules. He helps students make good choices too. Many leaders are grown-ups. Kids can be leaders too. Mr. N tells the students about class leaders. The class leader changes every week. The class leader helps in many ways. The class leader shows the class how to listen. The class leader leads the line in the hallway. The class leader writes on the whiteboard. The class leader chooses snacks too. Molly wants to be the first class leader. Hudson wants to be the first class leader too. Oh no. Who will be the first class leader? Mr. N asks the students what they should do. No one has an answer. Let's vote, says Hudson. The class can choose who will be first. Mr. N tells the class about voting. Each student will choose Molly or Hudson. Each student will write Molly or Hudson's name on a card. This is a way to vote. Mr. N will count the votes. The person with the most votes wins. A vote is a fair way to make a choice. The winner will be the first class leader. Let's vote, says the class. Molly and Hudson tell why they want to be class leader. Molly wants to lead the line. She knows her way around the school. Molly can help students get from place to place. Hudson wants to choose the snack. He loves healthy snacks. He can help the class make healthy choices. The class listens to Molly and Hudson. Mr. N gives a card to each student. Each student writes Molly's or Hudson's name on a card. Each student makes a choice for class leader. They write who they think will be the best. Mr. N collects the cards. Then he counts the votes. Mr. N writes the number of votes on the board. 10 students voted for Molly. 10 students voted for Hudson. The vote is a tie. Molly wins. Hudson wins. They will be the first class leaders together. Molly and Hudson show the class how to listen and help. Molly leads the line. The class walks together in the hall. Hudson chooses the snack. The class eats apples. Molly and Hudson love being the first class leaders. Next week the class will vote for a new class leader. The end.